Hello students, today I bring for you a new chapter of class 11th biology, that is structural organism animals. And in this chapter we are going to see only the topic of morphology and anatomy of frog. So let's start. Frog, zoological name Rana tigrina, and phylum Chordata, class Amphibia, genus Rana and species Tigrina. Rana tigrina is the most common species in India. They are poikilothums, means cold-blooded animals. They can change color to hide them from their enemies, that is called camouflage. This protective coloration is called mimicry. During summer and winter, they undergo estivation, that is called summer sleep, and hibernation, that is called winter sleep, respectively, to protect them from extreme heat and cold. So estivation means summer sleep, hibernation means winter sleep. Okay, camouflage means they change color to hide them from their enemies, and mimicry means the protective coloration is called mimicry to the environment. Poikilothums means cold-blooded organisms. Next, morphology. You can see body is divided into head and trunk. Body is divisible into head and trunk. Neck and tail are absent. As you can see in the diagram, skin is moist, smooth and slippery due to the mucus. Whole skin, whole body is covered by mucus. That's why it is moist, smooth and slippery. Color of dorsal side is olive green. Dorsal means upper side. Okay, this side is olive green with dark irregular spot, and ventral side is pale yellow. Ventral side is pale yellow, down side. Okay. Next, the frog never drink water but absorb it through the skin. A mouth, paired nostrils and bulged eyes, which is covered by nictitating membrane. Their eyes is covered by nictitating membrane, which is also a type of eyelid. Okay. It is a type of eyelid that is called nictitating membrane. In crocodiles, you can easily observe the nictitating membrane. On either side of eye have membranous tympanum. Tympanum is called ear. Okay. Forelimbs 4 digits and hind limbs 5 digits. Help in swimming, walking, leaping and burrowing. Hind limbs are larger and muscular than the forelimbs. Feet have webbed digits that help in swimming. As you can see in the diagram, their feet are webbed type which help in the swimming. Frog exhibits sexual dimorphism, means you can easily identify male and female. Male frog have sound producing vocal sac which is absent in female, and also male frog having a copulatory pad that is called nuptial pad on the first digit of forelimb. So what are the differences between male frog and female frog? Now male frog have sound producing vocal sac, okay, which is present in the only male frog and absent in female frog, and copulatory pad which is present on the first digit of forelimb. First digit of forelimb, copulatory pad is present which helps during copulation, and these two separate the male frog to the female frog, because in female frog these two are absent. Next, digestive system consists of alimentary canal and digestive glands. Alimentary canal is short because frogs are carnivores, and hence the length of intestine is reduced. So with the pathway of digestive system in frog, in the mouth, buccal cavity, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, intestine, rectum, cloaca. Liver secretes bile that is stored in the gallbladder as in human being. Pancreas produces pancreatic juice containing digestive enzymes. It is also as in human beings. Food is captured by bilobed tongue. Food is captured by bilobed tongue. as you can see in the diagram. Digestion. Gastric juice and HCl secreted from gastric wall digest the food. Partially digested food, that is called chyme, is passed from stomach to the duodenum. Duodenum is the ending part of stomach. Okay. Duodenum receives bile and pancreatic juice through the common bile duct. Bile emulsify fat. Pancreatic juice digests carbohydrate and proteins. Digestion completes in the intestine. Finger-like villi and microvilli in intestine absorb digested food, and undigested solid food waste moves into the rectum and passes out through the cloaca. So, same process as in human being, same in the frog. Okay, but here one common thing is that in human being, after rectum, the waste material moves out through the anus, through the outside, but here after rectum, it passes out through the cloaca and then goes outside of the body. Okay, cloaca is present. Next, skin acts as aquatic respiratory organ, cutaneous respiration. Dissolved oxygen in the water is exchanged through the skin by diffusion. During estivation and hibernation, respiration takes place through skin only. On land, the buccal cavity, skin and lungs act as the respiratory organs. Lungs are paired of elongated, pink-colored sac-like structure present in the thorax. As you can see in the diagram, lungs are where air enters through the nostrils into the buccal cavity and then to the lungs. Same like human being. Circulatory system, it is also closed type like us. Includes blood vascular system, heart, blood vessel and blood, and lymphatic system, lymph channels and lymphatic nodes. Heart is three-chambered, 2 atria and 1 ventricle, and is covered by a membrane called pericardium. Next, a triangular structure called sinus venosus joins the right atrium. It receives blood through the major veins, that is called vena cava. Same, the ventricle opens into sac-like conus arteriosus on the ventral side of the heart. Blood pumped up from the muscular heart carried to all the body part by arteries and arterial system. Veins collect the blood from different part of the body to the heart and forms venous system. Hepatic portal system, that is where venous connection between liver and intestine. Hepatic portal, it is labeled here as you can see in the diagram. Hepatic portal, okay. Hepatic portal system that connect the venous connection between the liver and the intestine, and renal portal system between kidney and lower part of the body. Renal portal, it is also labeled here, are seen in the frog. Blood contains plasma and cells, RBC, WC platelet. RBC are nucleated and contain hemoglobin. Okay. Blood transport nutrients, gases and water through the tissues. Now excretory system. It includes pair of kidney, pair of ureter, cloaca and urinary bladder. Kidney are dark red bean-shaped, found posteriorly in the body cavity on both sides of vertebral column. Each kidney is formed of uriniferous tubules. Same, that is called nephrons. 2 ureters emerge from the kidneys. Same like human being. Okay. In male frog, the ureter acts as urinogenital duct which opens into cloaca. Remember the point. In male frog, the ureters act as urinogenital duct, same like male body of human being. In females, ureter and oviduct open separately in cloaca. The thin-walled urinary bladder is present ventral to the rectum. which also opens in the cloaca. Frog is ureotelic means excrete urea. Nitrogenous waste are carried by blood into the kidney where it is separated and excreted. Same like human being. Some control coordination, endocrine system. The endocrine gland secrete hormones. Example, pituitary gland, thyroid, parathyroid, thymus, pineal body, pancreatic islets, adrenal and gonads. See, there are some different locations of the endocrine system in frog. Nervous system, it includes CNS, PNS and ANS. CNS means central nervous system, brain and spinal cord. PNS, peripheral nervous system, cranial and spinal nerve. Autonomous nervous system, sympathetic and parasympathetic. There are 10 pairs of cranial nerve arising from brain. 10 pairs of cranial nerves, and brain is enclosed by bony brain box that is called cranium. Same like human being. You can see in the diagram, cranial nerve, spinal cord, brain. The brain is also divided into forebrain, midbrain, hindbrain. Forebrain includes olfactory lobes, paired cerebral hemisphere and unpaired diencephalon. Midbrain includes a pair of optic lobe. Hindbrain includes cerebellum and medulla oblongata. Medulla oblongata passes out through the foramen magnum and continues into spinal cord, which is enclosed in the vertebral column. Coming to sense organ includes sensory papillae, that is for touch, taste bud for taste, nasal epithelium for smell, simple eye for vision, paired and situated in orbit, tympanum with internal ear for hearing and balancing, equilibrium. Coming to reproductive system, male reproductive system consists of a pair of yellowish ovoid testes, as you can see in the diagram, which are found adherent to the upper part of kidney by a double fold of peritoneum, that is also called mesosteum. Vasa efferentia 10 to 12 in number arises from testes. They enter the kidneys on their side and opens into Bidus canal. It communicates with urinary duct that comes out of the kidney and opens into cloaca. The cloaca is a small median chamber that is used to pass fecal matter, urine and sperm to the exterior. So it is a common chamber, we can say, which is for fecal matter means solid waste material, urine, nitrogenous waste and male gametes sperm. Female reproductive system, it includes a pair of ovaries. The ovaries is situated near the kidney and there is no functional connection with kidneys. A pair of oviduct arising from the ovaries opens into cloaca separately. A mature female can lay 2500 to 3000 ova at a single time. Coming to the reproductive system, fertilization is external and takes place in water. Development involves a larval stage that is called tadpole. It undergoes metamorphosis to form an adult. As you can see, frog lays egg, formed embryo with the external fertilization, then tadpole, and development also, indirect development is shown in here. Tadpole with 2 legs, tadpole with 4 legs, and then a mature frog. This process is called metamorphosis. Now the last slide, economic importance. They eat insect and protect the crop. The first point, maintain ecological balance by serving as an important link of food chain and food web in the ecosystem. And in some countries, the muscular leg of frog are used as food. Okay, the muscular portion means the hind limbs are used as food material. So these are the economic importance, and with this chapter is completed, because only frog topic is there in the syllabus, recent syllabus. That's why it is completed. So watch these pictures and the NCERT line by line. If you found any doubt, simply call or message me. Thank you. Jai Jagannath.